Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today, AIRI just filed an 8K about a loan agreement extension, and it reveals some interesting financial breathing room. Quick note, this is not financial advice, just my take on public filings for educational purposes. While this filing might seem dry, it is actually a critical update on the company's financial runway. We are looking at AIRI Industries Group, and on the 18th of August of 2026, they made a significant move regarding their debt. Basically, the company entered into a new amendment, the 12th one, to its loan agreement with Webster Bank. This might sound like just a small tweak, but it is a big deal for a company like AIRI Industries. What this amendment does is push out the deadline for the company to pay back its loans. The original loans were due sooner, but now they have until the 30th of November 2026 to sort things out. This gives them about 3 more months of financial flexibility. And it is not just the bank loans. The subordinated notes, which are another form of debt held by Michael and Robert Taglich, also had their maturity date extended to the 1st of December 2026. So they've managed to get a little more time on all their major debt obligations. Now, why is this so important? For a company with a market cap of only about $11 million, managing its debt and ensuring it has enough time to operate and generate cash is absolutely critical. Think about Bed Bath & Beyond or Tupperware. Companies that are struggling often find themselves unable to refinance or extend their debt, leading to a spiral. By extending these maturities, AIRI Industries is buying itself valuable time. It is like getting a temporary reprieve from a ticking clock. The company's common stock trades under the ticker AIRI on the NYSE American exchange. This means it is a publicly traded company, and these filings are what keep investors informed. The company is AIRI Industries Group. They are in the industrial sector, specifically aerospace and defense. With only 150 employees, they are a smaller player in this industry. Looking at recent news, in August 2026, there was a headline that specifically mentioned this loan extension: AIRI Industries pushes Webster loan. Taglich notes to late 2026. This confirms the significance of this filing. We also see news from July about a merger agreement with Tenex Aerospace, which would mean Tenex holders would own about 96% of the combined company. This debt extension, happening concurrently, suggests that securing financing stability was likely a prerequisite for moving forward with such a significant transaction. It is like making sure the house is stable before you add an extension. This filing also lists the exhibits, and Exhibit 10.1 is the actual 12th amendment to the loan agreement. While we do not have the full details of the amendment in this filing itself, the fact that it exists and is referenced tells us that the negotiations were successful. So, what is the story here? AIRI Industries is in a tough spot, likely needing to restructure or improve its financial health. These debt extensions are not a solution to underlying problems, but they are a vital tool that buys management time to execute their strategy. For smaller companies, securing these extensions can be a lifeline. A comparable situation to watch would be how companies like Sears navigated multiple debt extensions before their ultimate bankruptcy. While not directly comparable, it highlights the importance of successfully managing debt timelines. For AIRI Industries, this extension pushes the immediate pressure off until the end of 2026. What I'm actually looking for is how this extended runway will be used. Will it facilitate the merger with Tenex Aerospace, or will it be used to improve operational cash flow? The success of these extensions hinges on the company's ability to generate enough revenue and profit to meet its obligations when the new deadlines arrive. A similar scenario where extending debt was crucial but ultimately insufficient was seen with Rite Aid. While the situations are different, the principle of needing more time to fix fundamental issues remains. Oh, and the research tools I actually use are linked in the description. They help keep this channel going. That is my take. Stay decoded. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description.